Oh my God!
Lily love braids.
You're a rebel. Getting into trouble. You are kinda like a fire, like a fire, like a fire.
Aha!
Unpredictable. Whoa! So original. You are never backing down, backing down, backing down. That's what I like about you.
Yes.
So dangerous. I get this rush when I'm with you. I go all in to lose or win. Real things up to knock 'em down. It's the way we keep our high, moving like a hurricane. There will come a time for when we can wash away your sin. Kind of ignorant. You don't care what people say, people say, people say. I'm going crazy for you, baby. Don't know how you're making me feel this way. What can I say? That's what I like about you.
Okay.
So dangerous. I get this rush when I'm with you. I go all in to lose or win. Real things up to knock 'em down. It's the way we keep our high, moving like a hurricane. There will come a time for when we can wash away our sins, settle down, but until then, we're like a
I like it! Jinu!
Nick Wilde. Rumi. Judy Hopps.
I wanna be a weekend lover. Yeah, I'ma be the best damn lover you got. I wanna mess up your covers.
Wow.
I don't wanna meet your mother. Never ever ask me how I've been. Remember why you have my number. I'm the best thing that has ever happened to you. Here's your time to shine. Now show me what you can do. The way my hands feel on your body, the way we're dancing in the dark. With every move I make,
Okay.
you're falling. The way my lips feel on your body, the way we're moving in the dark. With every breath we take, you're falling.
Oh my gosh!
What can fix it? Abe.
I ain't got no time for romance, but baby, I don't want to lead you on. Not looking for something steady, not ready for that. I'm the best thing that has ever happened to you. Here's your time to shine. Show me what you can do. Make a move. The way my hands feel on your body.
Okay.
The way we're dancing in the dark. With every move I make, you're falling. The way my lips feel on your body. The way we're moving in the dark. With every breath we take, you're falling.
Whoa.
Every breath that we're taking.
Huh?
Yay! Wow! I like it!
Boy, can't you talk to me? It's what I want the most in my life. They say you're out of my league, but I don't
Yay!
give a damn. No, deep down I know you want it. You wanna take a leap and jump in. Oh. You wanna fall in love. You get me spinning, wouldn't it be awesome if you just kiss me slowly and had me in your arms? If I could make you see it, baby, would be something to make the starlight jealous up above. Oh, you make me up, hey, lights go out when I see you moving up, hey, light me up. I love when you groove like that. Oh, hey, could be us, kissing in the moonlight. Hey, I will sing,
Wow.
Would it be cool to say? Yeah, intuition, just wanna follow intuition. All my senses tell me I know what you've been thinking. I've been feeling, what if we got up, left this party? Cause I can see you're probably gonna be scrolling feeds all night long. And your friends
Yes.
all drunk, and the DJ keeps playing the same song. And time isn't moving along. So would it be cool to say, do you wanna escape without ending the night? We could drive through all of the city lights, or we could find a two-song place, just you.
Myria.
Stepping right out of a sparkly sweet dream and kissing Missy with my pink fluff gleaming. These long arms are made to hold you so tight. A big bright smile to make everything right. Leave all the shadows and sadness behind. Chapter 5 is here, the best you will find. The toy factory is waking up today, welcoming the fun. Hip hip hooray. Don't be afraid, I'm a friend that is true, bringing sweet kisses to cheer up you. Running around, let's play hide and seek. Hearts beating fast, it's so unique. Oh, kissy missy, sending kisses your way. Happiness